Hello, my dear friends. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a balloon rat. First of all, I tie a knot. I tie 3 knots, each one on top of the previous one. I put these knots inside the grey 18-inch balloon and inflate this balloon to its full size. I tie a knot and press the balloon slightly to give it an elongated shape. Then I grab the knot, twist the balloon several times, and tie it with 260 size modeling balloons. Then I inflate 12-inch grey balloon with 12 pumps and make an apple twist. Tie these 2 elements together. I'm going to show you how to make a paw, and I'll use a transparent balloon for demonstration. Make for bubbles from balloons for mothering, size to 6/0. Pre-inflate a 12-inch balloon and stretch it slightly. Then put these for bubbles inside the balloon. Put half of a 260 modeling balloon in the balloon. First, inflate the outer balloon, then inflate the sculpting balloon with 3 pumps, and shape it as I show in the video. You need 2 identical elements. To make the ears, put 260 balloon for modeling inside a 12-inch grey balloon. Inflate grey balloon, then inflate balloon for mothering with 3 pumps. Put a 5-inch balloon inside and inflate it with 2 pumps. Shape the ears. You will need such elements. Inflate pink balloon for modeling, size to 160, and make a seal between two grey balloons. I inflate balloon for modeling with 3 pumps and make to pinch twist at the very end. Using glue dots, I glue the ears and paws. Inflate to balloons for modeling. Each balloon should be 4 fingers long. Twist the grey balloon in half, tie the ends of the balloon and cut off the excess part. Make 1 bubble, 1 pinch twist, and make another bubble out of a pink modeling balloon. Connect these 2 elements. These will also be the pose, and you will need 2 such elements. I make a tail out of a 260 modeling balloon and attach it using glue dots. Inflate a 260 white modeling balloon. The balloon should be 3 fingers long. Twist the white balloon in half, tie the ends of the balloon and cut off the excess part. These will be the teeth. Then make a tiny nose out of a 5-inch pink balloon. Connect these 2 elements together and glue them using the glue dots. The cute balloon rat is ready. You can add some decor. In my case, I made a piece of cheese. Thank you for watching us.